Is it on you or on me? It's on me? Okay, let me turn it to you. I can't even what you see there. And let me move it again. You want to what? You want to hold it? Yeah. It is very expensive. You can't hold this one, Jalil. No, Jal. I don't want you to mash it up. Alright, hold it with both hands. Both hands. Both hands. Good job. You're holding it for me? Good job, Jalil.
Hello.
Hello. Alright then, Jalil. Thank you. Right. Okay, guys. So, come on the bed. What happened? Talk to me. You want to play hide and seek? Alright, I'm going to play now. Just showing them that I'm going to use my gimbal, okay? This is a whole hem gimbal. This is a Virgo. Sorry, it comes like this, but then it unfolds. Granted, I'm using the back facing camera. It does this. I'm showing y'all, but this part kind of catch me off guard because it comes down. So you just pull it up and then you can set it down. No, Jal, don't. Ooh, you don't put my foot, my son. You can't go up here, so you can't come up here, so you have to come here. You have to come here because you have to. You can't go up there because they're going to shake it and mommy recording. Mommy have to catch up her phone like she used to catch her about the gimbal. And then, this is such a very organic, unprofessional video. Okay, I'm going to show you a professional one. But I'm just saying that I'm going to be using the gimbal right now to record. So, like, this is how, like, I'm doing it. This is all I do. Let's be sure you guys how to set it up. No. And then, Jesus Christ. No. And then, no. For another video, no. I'm going to do it. So, when I'm putting it in, ensure that, like, if you're using a back-facing camera, that where the camera is pointing, this part is facing you. Because when I put it in, it's going to automatically flip. Right now, I have it locked. I hope you can see. But right now, I have it, I have it locked. But if I pull it, it swivels. When you pull it, it swivels. See? So hold on, I'm going to lock it back and put it on. Because if you want to buy a phone, watch it. As you move it, it's just so cool, bro. I've been seeing these like all over the place. Like, oh, it must be so cool to have one. And now I do. Bought with Bill. Subby bought it for me, can I tell you? And she doesn't want to say her name, but she did. So I spent $49. You can buy it for $39. And there's a link. Remember, yes, Papa? Oh, yes, yes. First, I want to play hide and seek. Now you're hungry. Cover the setup. Hold it good, you know, Jalil. I have the remote in my hand, you guys. Yeah, hold it good. Both hands. Good job. Good job, Jalil. I miss them so flipping much. And the truth is, no, this might sound selfish. You wipe it off. On the camera. You going to kiss me? Yeah, Jonathan, wipe it off. You wipe it off. So I definitely miss them when they're here. They make me extremely happy. I love my children, and because like adult humans, I don't like them very much. I vibe with children so much. I love them, I love the foolishness, I love the I genuinely love when a child is a child, because I feel like that we call it that age, that stage of development. It's beautiful. They're just beautiful creatures. So, you know, I asked Mama if I message him last. Oh, you like them?
Yeah, I love black.
I do too. Jonathan, I'm wondering if like black is my new favorite color. She goes, wait, sorry. Black is your favorite color?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I love black because every time I do my nails in black, them look so good. Every single time, them look good. But, on what? Oh yes, we can set it up now. They can go for the rest of Jalil Man the Destroyer. They can go for the rest of them and set them up. How much I go for the 4 of them or the 2 of them? Stop! Oh, okay. Come in, Jonathan. We are going to find you. That's my great grandson. Take off Gigi stuck in Jalil. Blow. Tired? Yeah. Mama, what kind of stuck in your oven? Tell me, Anna hurt you? You Anna hurt you? Jesus Christ, Mama breathe hard. Lord Jesus, bless him knees, Jesus. Why you laugh? Jesus, bless him knee.
What?
Ah.
Mommy, I can stop it there. All you're doing is making it worse.
I'm not making it worse.
Yeah, you are.
You need to feel better, so you need to sleep.
Yeah.
Because you take off Gigi's stocking. And she stress blow, I'm grabbing knee. And she stress you out. Awkward thought to share with you guys. It would seem as if that a new age way of speaking is how I can have you to understand how powerful you are. I feel like because I keep on saying daddy, you're separating yourself from that power. I don't want you to separate yourself from that power. You are that power because we were made in his image and likeness. The world is meticulous. Things seem as if it's set up for us to fail. Maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. If you feel like you're being personally attacked, maybe you're right, maybe you're wrong. But it's something that you know is happening. And I can't take that experience away from you. Now, I'm saying this. Being where I am now has given me a lot of mental clarity. Something I didn't know that was attainable for where I was. If you think of something, you do it. That's how powerful you are. If you think of something, you execute it, whether negative or positive. That's a power you have. But for some reason, we keep on using that power for evil. Baby, these shows you watch with superheroes, that's some real things, man. That's real. It's real. And you're powerful. Hi guys, so I'm gonna make coffee. I really want to speak. I have videos I have to edit. I feel like old time YouTube. That's how I feel. Cause now I'm like, oh, you can't see me. Now I'm like filming, editing like all in a day. So now I have to have like filming days like what I used to have. So now I'm on today 5 or 6 for September, and it's the 30th of August. So that's a do. So now. Okay, so there's something I want to talk about, and it is like social anxiety. It's not something that I ever struggled with because of how I am and how I was raised, right? I have been involved in a lot of activities when I was younger, sports, in high school, so I was never a very socially awkward person, right? What has happened is that naturally I'm very open, and I don't mind sharing my truth. I've always been like that, you see me? But trauma will change you, but don't want to change it for the worst, okay? So now I recognize that I'm more comfortable talking to you like this. I am not going to try and force myself to be this person when I see you guys, because it is difficult. Let me explain. When I when I go on the road, I recognize for the past month or so, I have a face on that says, do not speak to me. I take a lot of public transportation. One time I be a taxi used to take, and somebody commented that basically me drop off a farm. I mean, somebody commented this recently that basically me drop off a farm, and my glory days are gone. That was when I was where I was, you see me? And that comment had me in a moment for a while, because
I just kept on going back and forth, but that's not true. I mean, it would seem true because, you know, I'm legit starting from scratch. But starting from scratch or starting over is not a bad thing. I don't know. It is not a bad thing. I'm sorry. It's not a bad thing for me. Because now I'm starting over, starting from scratch on my terms. I'm not doing it for anybody. You see me, you know, coming back to YouTube. It is very reminiscent of when I just started. You see me? I don't get emotional. It's very reminiscent of when I started. I start back from where I am in my grandmother's house. Except this time I have 2 children. It feels like history is repeating itself. And if you feel like that, do not despise history repeating itself. People will have you feel as if you have gone back. Oh no, honey, this is our chance again. Because it was taken from us. And I said, Daddy is faithful. I know, again, we don't have this perspective. The reason I have this perspective is because I am now thinking. The reason I have this perspective is because now my mood and my energy is grounded in something different. I wish I could tell you without even telling you, but it's just Jesus. I don't know how to say it, you guys. It's just, he's been helping. And I recognize that I do have social anxiety because there is so much vulnerability comes with Simone being Simone. A lot of vulnerability comes with me being me. And whenever I speak, it would seem as if I am not being accepted. It would seem as if I'm being, there's a war being waged against me. It would seem as if what I'm saying is incorrect and I need to be muzzled. Okay? So now remember them till I say I'm once a fat kid, always a fat kid. Shit. Once you've been traumatized, you know, that shit stays. And let me explain why once a fat kid, always a fat kid. Let me explain why that trauma shit stays. It's because of our memory. We are intricate beings and we remember things that we don't want to remember and we forget things we do not want to forget. Am I lying? Especially for those of us who have been, who are mothers. We lose our memory. Did you know? I've lost full conversations. I have blocked things out of my mind because of trauma. And that is ridiculous. That is like your mind protecting you, your body. We are beautiful creatures. Don't let anyone take that from you. Do not allow your past to punish your future. Yes, it was difficult. Yes, we are moving on, and yes, we have made it. Speak past, present, and futuristically. Acknowledge the past. Figure out what you want for your future, and then live it. Past, present, future. I feel, and it's awkward for me too when I go out because I'm so ferociously me. I'm me with everybody, and people. I don't know if it's just me or that personality is jarring. You can let me know in the comments. But people are like taken aback, or they're so hyped they reciprocate, you know. And then I'm taken aback like, oh, you're like me. So there's a lot of like psychological things that's happening, which I'm figuring out about myself. Why can't I upload this? Why does it say rendering and see some percent? But that's basically what I want to say. That's all. I'm done. Oh, my warm up jerk chicken with pepper, ketchup, and sugar. Girl, no, not tasty, but my tasty. My mouth a leak. Tastes good. Sugar get a kick, you know. Okay, welcome to the end of the vlog. But I know I look, my nose ring last. Hurt. I'm gonna try put the team back. I'm gonna put the team back and I'm gonna take it back and try to switch it back with something else. I know it can't go in. My last all complete like solo. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do a nose surgery for lock up back or some scarring something because my nose is scarred from the first time when I did do it, and it was healing. And I had the bump when I had the bump on my nose. I had the bump on my nose I think twice. I forgot about that bump on my nose. So now this is like a scar, but then a scar with a hole. End of the vlog. Thanks for watching. I'm going to start editing now. Sitting like crazy. But look at, see all the jewelry is here and everything. I use alcohol. Sorry. Yeah, so thanks so much you guys for watching and